name?
My name is Priyansh.
Okay.
And I've taken admission at your university in civil engineering branch. So today I'm here to attend the webinar session which was conducted by the university.
From where did you get to know about this webinar?
So I got a message at my phone,
Okay.
and it was live webinar, so I did not get it. So I just came here to attend it, and it was really nice then to hear that live webinar. It was pretty very good for me.
So, like you chose civil engineering as your subject. Did you have any other options before? Did you choose any other options before as well?
No, I was for my option. I prefer civil engineering for my side because it is nice for me. And if I want, I can do much more better than it. Very good in it, and much more.
Great, great, great. So, any other feedback would you like to share about this webinar? Anything which you want?
It was a really nice experience for me because I never had such kind of webinar ever before in my life, and I thanks the university for conducting such webinar, and I want the university to conduct such more webinar.
Sure, we'll do that.